We got some sausage and some eggs and fruit, and the strudel David made this morning is a strawberry cream cheese. We've got some little
This is amazing.
and we've got some German chocolate cookies, some other.
Okay, so we're starting day 29. Buttercup looks ready. The rain has stopped. We're at Mountain Harbor Bed and Breakfast. Getting ready to go. Buttercup, take sticks. We got 16 miles today. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hopefully it don't rain too much. See you up the trail. Still at Mountain Harbor, just walking down the trail. They're rebuilding the whole hostel. Looks beautiful here. So, very nice. Mountain Harbor has a little tree house to rent too. It's kind of cool. Right on the river. This river destroyed a lot of their property in Helene. So, but the tree house stood. See you later. All right, so Buttercup's coming. It just started like a little bit of drizzle. It's now we've been hiking for a little over an hour and a half. So up the top of the first hill, really there's only one big hill and that's it. And then the rest of the day is just up and down smaller hills. Buttercup, you getting wet?
I think so.
I think we'll be okay for now.
I think so.
All right, let's keep going. Can I put you in my video? Hey, we're here. Came down a little ways. I'm with Jamless. We've been looking for her for a month now. Buttercup's up there with Green Bean. We just see this river. You can see it really overflowed over there. So anyway, see you up the trail. All right, we are at Mountaineer Falls, Buttercup. About 8, 9, maybe 10 miles into the hike.
Yeah.
Feeling pretty good. We're gonna get to our tent site maybe around 4. It's supposed to rain a lot starting at 2 o'clock. So be ready, Buttercup, for some rain. See you later.